Hey, what's up Polygon holders? So this is live price prediction of Polygon, and today my brother I researched personally very highly my brother for Polygon holders, especially on Twitter, Instagram, and especially the personal website my brother, to what's going on in Polygon and what's the plan of Polygon team my brother, what's the expert says about Polygon. So everything in this video I am going to discuss with you my brother, but kindly you will also need to help me share your opinion in a comment box, and kindly if you have any news, any update, now you personally message me, you personally share me on Instagram. The links, everything my friend, are available in my channel. Go my channel homepage and check it out now. So my brother, absolutely you will need to chat me if you have any problem now about cryptocurrencies, absolutely everywhere, about wallets, any type of help if you need my brother. So you will clearly and without any doubt share me my brother. So this time my brother we will discuss about the Polygon problems and something very special news and update and what's the price prediction. So kindly my brother you will need to watch this video completely to understand better now my brother. First of all, I want to tell you something very special about Polygon. Thus, a Polygon price will be very badly falls down, and there are a few, my friends, holders mistakes. So therefore, the price will fails down. The Polygon price will fails down in the start of month because my brother, every holder are starting, especially short-term investor, they are starting selling at the end of month. So the Polygon price will fails down. But if my friends, I already do a technical analysis, but this time as you can see here, just in only generally and very shortly I will do this technical analysis. I hope you will better understand my brother. This time you can see here I make this triangle. So this triangle is clearly show you my brothers to if their price will again recover and starting moving upward and hit this top, this point my brother. As you can see here, this is the resistance line. So if they will just only again hit this line, so this is going to be profit now in upcoming time. But this is possible, there is a few chances my brother, if a short-term investor hold, and absolutely after the mid of month, and definitely if a long-term investor not starting selling. So therefore this is possible. Otherwise this is impossible to, they will again hit this target and they will recover all the loss and give you a profit. So kindly please try to understand this now. Absolutely there is a chance to Polygon price will be increasing now if you are hold. So my opinion is for all of you to please hold. And my brother, the expert says to Polygon price will be increasing in upcoming days. There is 100% chances now, and the team is also my friends going to collaborate with a lot of companies, for example Amazon, etc. This type companies my brother. So there is 100% chance so they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching Polygon holder. If you want my friends to earn money in crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.